Namaskar. Myself Dr. Ajay Deshmukh, Registrar of University of Mumbai, Maharashtra State. I am indeed very happy to know that a significant workshop on sports and healthcare management is being organized by the Institute of Scientific Research and Analysis in collaboration with the Sports Department, Government of Maharashtra. As we all are aware that the global crisis is on because of epidemic COVID-19. Epidemics like COVID-19 comes in a wave. Under corona pandemic, there is a dire need to improve our public health system. In view of this, what organizers are organizing is really a noteworthy. The mental health, psychological concerns, and well-being of students who are the main stakeholders of academia are very important issues. All these aspects need to be taken care of. Online teaching learning should go on, and it has been rightly stated and accepted that education is a continuing process. So is the teaching learning. For last 21 days, almost 2/3 of the countries on the earth are locked down. That does not mean the world is standstill. It should not. And especially the education system, which is the backbone of any country for that matter, must be alive, must be open 24/7. Yes, we have stopped going to the colleges and universities and offices. Students, of course, they are not coming to the classes. This classroom teaching learning is not happening. But teaching learning on some different mode is definitely in place. And that is what we call the online teaching learning. The webinars on Zoom, there are many softwares and apps are available in rapidly growing technological world, which can be used for counseling, teaching, learning, and every purpose which falls in academia. Yes, the sports and healthcare. It has been rightly said that a healthy body bears healthy mind. So body to be healthy and fit, our sports and physical education activities must go on. I must congratulate the organizers for having chosen such a important issue, important aspect in the prevailing critical situation. The discussions, discourses, deliberations during a week's workshop will definitely be fruitful, and at the end of the day, some solid and useful resolutions would come out through this workshop, which can be useful for improving the health management system of public at large, not only in our country but globally. I wish this workshop a great success, and I appreciate the efforts taken by Dr. Sandeep Jagtap, Dr. Umesh Rathi and Dr. Uday Dongre, who are coordinating this event. Once again, I wish this event success of all sorts. I wish the participants a success, and thank the organizers for having given me this opportunity to be a part of this very important workshop. Thank you. Thank you.